Hi all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to jump into something really exciting, building your first AI agent using n8n. If you ever wanted to automate some tasks, create AI agents, or just wanted to play with cool tech, this video is for you. So no coding required. By the end of this video, you will have a working AI agent ready to go. Let's dive in. So what is an AI agent? So AI agent is basically a system which can perform certain tasks on behalf of an human. Just think of it as your personal assistant, but way cooler and smarter. So it can perceive its environment, process information, and take actions in order to achieve a certain goal. Now you may be wondering, what is this n8n tool? So it is basically a workflow automation tool which let you connect different kind of application, services, and also AI models in a drag and drop kind of a fashion. Think of it as a Lego set for automation. No coding needed, but you can still make a tweak if you want to. So when you're using n8n tool, you can either use its cloud version or install it on your local machine. But for this tutorial perspective, I will use a cloud version, and I suggest same for you. It's very easy to go. You just sign up and you're ready to go. So let's check it out. So we'll use this n8n.io. Just log in. You will see this website. A lot of companies are already using them, and it provides quick tutorials, guides, and all. You can check it out, and you can sign up. I've already signed in with this, so I'll get started. Generally, I use Google sign in to sign up, but you can use whatever thing you prefer. Now, once you have signed up, you can create a workspace, and then let's give it a minute. So once the workspace is open, you can create a new workflow. So this is the first step. So let's start by creating a workflow. So currently the AI agent which we will be creating it'll be you can say a social media automation. So what we want to do is first pick up some topics. So we have already some topics in a spreadsheet or a Google sheet. So what this automation tool will do is pick up a particular topic from that sheet every day, and then it'll automatically create a post. And once the post is created, it'll also save that post in a Google sheet, and then it'll also publish it to a social media channel. So it's a small workflow, but it'll show you how to use it end to end. And then possibilities are endless with this tool. So let's get started. Now first I suggest that you give a no name to your workflow. So we'll say social media automation. So if you are someone who want to grow your social media account on kind of by default, then you can create hundreds of social media posts using these kind of workflows, and it'll post automatically for you and grow your channel, which is pretty cool. So at the first step, you have to add a trigger. So let's add a trigger on schedule. Now when you come here, you can select what is the interval we want to do it, every day, one between trigger hour. You can select anything. I just select say 7 a.m. I want it to be triggered, and that's it. Now let's go back. So we have created a trigger. Now what we want to do is every day go to a spreadsheet and then pick up the first topic on which we want to create a social media post. So let's look for Google Sheets here. So I'm using Google Sheets. You can use Airtable or something else as well. So now in Google Sheets, what we want to do is get rows. Okay. So we have already created a sheet. I've created it separately, and I'll quickly show you maybe. Yeah. So this is a just sample sheet. I'm calling it make, and so here I've put the topics. So that's what we want it to pick it up. Okay. So now you can connect your Google Sheet account. That's pretty simple. I have already done it, but it'll ask your Google credentials, and that's pretty much it. Resource, it's a document. You want to get rows. From where do you want to get? So here it'll ask you to select one of the Google Sheet. So we already have a sheet created. It's called make, and in that we have sheet 1. So from there we want to pick it up. So that's pretty much it. We don't want any filters for now. What we want to do is just pick up topics which are already there in Google Sheet. on a daily basis. Now you can click this test step to see whether your automation flow is working or not till now. Let's click OK. So now when we clicked it, it kind of triggered it. And if you see here, it was able to pick up, different rows, make.com, Claude. I mean, these are the topics on which we want to create social media post. Now let's get back to our canvas. So we have created a trigger successfully. We have extracted from the Google Sheet. Now next step. Now next what we are going to do is we are going to add advanced AI. So first select this advanced AI, and in this we will select an AI agent. So what this AI agent will do is it will perform some kind of an action, So we already extracted, some topics from Google Sheet. And here, when you come inside the AI agent, what we will do is we will define our prompt, okay, what we want this to do. So we will select define prompt. And then what we will say is create a social media post on topic, and then we can select topic from here. You can just drag and drop it here because this is a parameter you want to use. Okay, so now when you will run this automation, it will use this topic and create a social media post for you. Now this, in order to use this AI agent, you will have to connect this with some kind of a LLM model or an AI model. So that's why let's come back to Canvas, and here it has option to connect a chat model. So let's connect it. So it provides you so many options, like from Anthropic to Azure, DeepSeek, whatever you can use. We will use OpenAI. I already have access to this, but you can use anything you want. Now you can connect your account. I have already connected my account, but if you have not already, then click on this create new credential. When you go to platform.openai.com, then from /keys you can get a key from OpenAI. You will provide key here, and that's it. You will be connected. And now again, OpenAI provide various kind of models. We will use this GPT-4o mini, providing it by default, and it's pretty good for our need. Now, so let's come back to our channel or canvas. So we have connected our AI agent, and then we have added a OpenAI chat model also. Now let's test how this workflow is performing so far. Great. So workflow has executed successfully till now. Now let's go inside this and check it out. Okay. So if you see, it took input from Google Sheet, a topic, and then in output, it created a quick social media post on this make.com and even Claude AI, the second topic which we were having. So far so good. Now what do you want to do? If you want, you can again connect a Google Sheet and post these topics there if you want somebody to review that before it gets published in social media, or you can directly publish it also. So I want to have one step in between where I want to update my Google Sheet. Now one few more things which are connected with the CI model is first this memory. So if you want to store certain things in a memory while you're processing and all, then you can use this option. You don't need it for now. And then you can connect different kind of tools using this tools option. So for example, in some cases you want to have a Google Calendar. Let's click on it. There are a lot of tools available in this. You can connect them, and when you define certain things in agent, it can go ahead and update these tools also. Now what we want to do is I want to update this spreadsheet with the new social media post which is connected, because I want to quickly review it before it gets posted on my social media channel. So now what I will do is I'll click here and I'll look for sheet. So I'll go to sheets, and then what I want to do is I want to update a row in the sheet. So I'll use this option. Now I've already connected my Google Sheet, and you would have also done it in your previous step. So we want to select a sheet within a document. We want to append or update a row. Now document, will use our same sheet which we used earlier, which name was make. And now what we want to do is there are multiple options. Either you can map each column manually or map it automatically also. I'm just doing it manually because I just want to be, I find it easier to do. So first, what column do you want to have a match on? So I want to have it on topic. So whatever topic this social media post is created, I want to update a corresponding column for the social media post. So values to be sent. So which topic, which field will be used to match? It's a topic. So I will again just drag and drop this topic here. So it'll match on topic. And then what we want to update is we want to update a script. So for that, we will use this output. So it will go ahead and search on the topic and update script. So this looks good to me. Let's test it out how it performs. Great. So looks like it has done its job. Now let's quickly check our spreadsheet also. Okay. So it has updated. So it looked for make.com and then it created a script or a social media post. You can go through it if you like. Good. If you want to make any changes or whatever, right, that also you can do. You may want to add your personal touch or something like that. Now we can go back to canvas and we can see our workflow till now. So this way you can create multiple or hundreds of social media posts, and sky's the limit with what you can do with this n8n automation and using these AI agent. For example, in my case, I create a lot of YouTube scripts using AI, and I've created a workflow where automatically it picks up certain topics which I've selected and it creates YouTube script for me, and saves hours of time for me. So currently we have our content ready which we can post it. Now you can also connect it with Facebook or other social media channels. I'll not go through that in this video because it's pretty time consuming and I want to keep it a concise to give you a feel of how to create an agent. In upcoming videos, we will dive into each and every specific topic, how to post it on certain social media channel. And if there's any other tool you want me to build, then let me know. You can also use this to read emails and respond to emails in an automated fashion. You can also, do data transformation. You can add a human also in loop. So for example, we talked about responding to emails. So, you can have this tool send you approval so that you can see, okay, whether the email it is sending is good or not, and you can just approve it and it'll send it. So if you want human approval or something, you can add human in the loop, and so many things you can do. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want me to automate any of the specific workflow using AI, then let me know, and I'll try to share a video on that. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. We're a small growing channel, and this really helps us reaching out to more people like you and sharing more videos with you. Thank you. Bye.